I was gifted this keyboard and screen cleaning kit by the brand, and honestly it works so well, and it's bigger than I expected. So this is what the entire unit looks like. The top brush pops out here, and it is rather large, which is great for dusting off your keyboards. This clear piece slides down so you can access all of the tools that you have in here. And on the back of here, you have a tool to help you remove the keys on your keyboard if that is something that you are choosing to do to clean underneath. So the kit comes with a little spray bottle, a small brush, this small pad that will help clean the cameras on your phone, and this metal pick and compact brush will help get a lot of the stuck in dirt out of your speakers or any small spaces. And this oval brush that is really soft will help clean out your AirPod cases. I love that all of the tools fit in here so nicely. I don't have to keep track of a bunch of little pieces because they all have a home. And on the back, we can take the cover off of this large pad, and this surface will help you clean your laptop screens or any larger screens that you want to get any smudges or fingerprints off of. The pack also comes with an additional back pad and microfiber towel, as well as extra small pads. So let me show you how I used this set to clean off my phone and my computer.